Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the OnePlus 9 Pro for the third time. That's right, 3 times. Bought the OnePlus 9 Pro brand new. It was the Mist, sold it. Then I bought a used Mist OnePlus 9 Pro. Huge shout out Big Dog. Traded that device in for the OnePlus 10 Pro, which is a solid smartphone in design. The build quality is just tough. Performance, functionality. This phone has gotten it done for me day in and day out. Thumbs up. That camera area is just beautiful, sexy, but really exposed. I would recommend a skin, maybe a camera glass protector, and yes, sporting a case. Gots to protect your investment. The OnePlus 7 Pro, like the way they did place the camera area in the center there, but you get great picture quality and video quality as well with the OnePlus 7 Pro. Just my favorite overall OnePlus device. It's that pop-up camera area which allows for an all display experience, and yeah, it's a beautiful thing to behold, to have no interruptions whatsoever on the OnePlus 7 Pro display. Look at that. Just gorgeous. And man, I just wish OnePlus would replicate that design at some point in time. I'm sure that a lot of OnePlus customers would not complain. Anyway, the reason I wanted to bring in the OnePlus 9 Pro back again for the third time, it's because it has this area that I really dig so much. The motion graphic smoothing feature in the display settings that enhance my media intake when it comes to watching videos and movies. Now, some of you really think that is a silly area for me to like. I've talked about that specific feature in the past, and some of the feedback is like, are you kidding me? It's gimmicky, it's silly, it shouldn't even be there. I watch a lot of movies, man, and anything that can enhance my experience, I want it. And that area just does it for me. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that the first 2 OP9 Pros that I brought in were the Mist color. This time around, in this, bam, beautiful red box, we have hold on just a moment. Wow, that is definitely bold. Beautiful pine green. Now, I've seen the pine green on the web, over at YouTube, Twitter, but I've never held the pine green OnePlus 9 Pro in my hand. And in comparison to the Mist, I love the Mist, but this is really nice. This is sexy. Love that camera area. Now, I do have protection for purchasing the OnePlus 9 Pro. I have the OnePlus 9 Pro unique bumper case, OnePlus Droid. So that's going to be nice to use. I do have a solid case-borne clear case here as well. And I got other cases laying around.
What's in the box? I know you've seen this before, but let's just do it anyway. There's the brick, the wall charger, and the famous red cable. And in here we have all the information that you'll need to read, or not. Safety information, quick start guide, stickers, welcome, and there's your SIM tool. The key to remove the tray to put your SIM card in place so you can use your new OnePlus 9 Pro. Alright, there we go. Put that there. is nice.
All right, quick review. The OnePlus Droid case here. Well, let's just check out the flexibility. Hard plastic polycarbonate material on the back with that Droid character back there. Nice texture on the inside. Corner protection. Huge cutout for the camera area. TPU material all the way around the case. Got some lip going on there for the camera area as well. At the bottom, huge cutout right there for the USB Type-C charging port area. Got a mic cutout and your speaker cutout there. Up top, got your other mic cutout there. Love the lips surrounding the camera area. Huge cutout, so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. Digging it. Power button, alert slider. Yeah, that's easy to get to. Very nice. And your volume rocker. Nice and clicky. Yeah, I don't have the device turned on yet, so. Plenty of lip at the bottom. Plenty of lip up top. The corners extend out a little further than right in here, which is nice. Now this bottom lip is equal all the way across to each corner, but right in here, got a little more going on there, and through here, and then it goes up again there. Now the sides, not a lot of protection there, but the bottom and top will prevent damage for your AMOLED display on your OnePlus 9 Pro. There'll be a little bit of a gap here because of the lip going on the top and the bottom. You can go this route if you want. I would go with a flat surface maybe a little bit rough, but anything beyond that, please use your discretion. And you do have that lip there, but that's about it. So I'm probably going to go that route. Down below in the comment section, let me know. Do you set your devices down like that? Display up or display down? It's a nice looking case. It really is. Bam. I went ahead and set up my OnePlus 9 Pro, not fully, but enough to where I can test out the power button here. Nice. Fingerprint reader works fast. Volume rocker, nice and responsive. Yeah, really nice. Man, that is fast. Really fast. And there you go. Bam. For the third time. Look, over time, I have brought in many different smartphones from many different companies. They go through the reviewing process. I share that information with all of you. I get to use them, enjoy them. But then comes that time where I have to choose which one of these phones I'm going to trade in for the next device or sell over at Swappa or to a friend or relative, coworker, to use those funds to bring in other devices. It's a vicious circle. For 7 years I've been doing this. And I usually have 2 or 3 sitting around that I have to decide on which one it's going to be. And I know that at some point I'm going to miss 1 or 2 of those devices. And over the years, it's been a few that I've brought in twice or 3 times. The OnePlus 9 Pro is the latest. I've done that with the OnePlus 7 Pro, I think twice, the Google Pixel 4 XL 3 times, the S21 Ultra twice, which I may be going on number 3 with that specific smartphone. But yeah, man, that's just something that I get the itch, and the itch doesn't go away unless I do something about it. But either way, here it is. And if there's something you want from me that you've not seen out there, throw in your request. I'll do my best to get to it. I appreciate all of you hanging out with me. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping on by. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more content. Yeah, more to come. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I'm out.